Over 90% of car owners are quietly bleeding money on car care without realizing it. Detailers and mechanics are raking in thousands every month on jobs you can handle in your driveway with stuff you already have at home. One wrong move with the wrong product can actually accelerate damage and cost you even more down the road. But what if you could make your car look sharper, run better, and stay protected, all while keeping hundreds, even thousands in your pocket? Stick with me because these 15 game-changing car hacks will do exactly that. Hack number 15, baking soda tire whitening. Those once black tire sidewalls now look dull, brown, and covered in that stubborn film that laughs at regular soap. Detailers will happily charge you $40.80 to make them pop again. Here's the real move. Grab baking soda, a splash of dish soap, and a little water. Mix it into a thick paste. Take an old toothbrush or stiff brush and work that paste deep into the sidewalls with firm circular motions. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, then rinse thoroughly. The mild abrasive action of baking soda lifts brake dust, road grime, and that oxidized layer that causes the browning. Your tires snap back to a deep, rich black that looks fresh from the factory. One cheap box of baking soda can handle all 4 tires on multiple cars for months. Here, what they won't tell you. That brown film isn't just dirt, it's blooming antioxidant chemicals from the rubber itself protecting against cracking. Harsh chemical cleaners strip it aggressively, but baking soda does the job gently. Bonus, your tires now hold tire dressing way better so that shine lasts twice as long. You just turned a $1 pantry item into a professional-level detailing secret. If that one already saved you cash, wait until you hear this next one. Hack number 14, Vaseline tail light restoration. Foggy, yellowed tail lights don't just look bad, they're a real safety issue at night. Before you drop money on restoration kits, try this. Take plain petroleum jelly, Vaseline, and rub a thin layer across the entire lens with your fingers or a soft cloth. Work it in well, let it sit a few minutes, then buff off the excess with a clean microfiber. The jelly fills microscopic scratches and oxidized pores, instantly restoring clarity and making the red lenses pop again. Nighttime visibility improves dramatically. A $4 jar will restore every light on your car dozens of times. The hidden truth? Fogging is just surface-level UV oxidation. Vaseline creates a temporary barrier that does what expensive compounds do but cheaper. Do this regularly and you're actively preventing future haze. That one jar just replaced an entire recurring product line from the auto parts store. This next one feels almost too easy. Hack number 13, vegetable oil trim restoration. That faded, chalky black plastic trim around your windows, doors, and bumpers can make even a clean car look tired. Take a little plain vegetable oil on a soft cloth and rub it evenly into the trim. Let it soak in for a couple minutes, then wipe away any residue. The oil replenishes what UV rays and repeated washing stripped out, bringing back that deep factory black look and subtle sheen. It costs pennies and covers your whole vehicle in one go. Plastic trim fades because it loses its internal oils, vegetable oil puts them right back. It even conditions your rubber weather seals at the same time, keeping them flexible and crack-free. Detailers love bundling this into big packages, but your kitchen just handled it for next to nothing. Hack number 12, potato windshield fog prevention. Nothing ruins a drive faster than a constantly fogging windshield in rain or cold weather. Cut a raw potato in half and rub the cut side all over the inside of your glass in circular motions. Let it dry for a minute, then buff it clean. The natural starches leave behind an invisible barrier that stops condensation in its tracks. One potato treats every window multiple times. Same principle as expensive anti-fog sprays, but straight from the pantry. It works on bathroom mirrors, glasses, and camera lenses too. Auto stores mark those sprays up massively when nature already has you covered. Hack number 11, WD-40 gas cap corrosion fix. If your gas cap is getting stiff and gritty, you're not alone, and it's costing you more than just frustration. Spray a light coat of WD-40 on the threads of the cap and inside the filler neck. Work the cap back and forth a few times, then wipe away excess. It dissolves corrosion and leaves a protective layer so it stays smooth. Most stiffness comes from surface rust and buildup, not actual damage. A quick $5 fix beats buying a new cap. Even better, A properly sealing cap prevents fuel vapors from escaping, which can trigger check engine lights and failed emissions tests. You might just save yourself hundreds in diagnostics. Hack number 10, Wet Umbrella Storage Feature. Tossing a wet umbrella on the seat or floor is silently destroying your interior with mold and musty smells. Most modern cars have a built-in wet umbrella holder, usually a narrow channel or hook system in the lower door panel or under the front seat rails. Fold your umbrella and slide it in. Water drips safely away from your upholstery. Check your owner's manual under interior storage. It's been there the whole time. Keeping moisture out also protects sensitive electronics under the seats that can fail and cost $600 to repair. One overlooked factory feature saves you from all that hassle. Before we keep going, if you're already seeing how much money these hacks can save, smash that like button. It helps expose more of these hidden tricks detailers don't want you knowing. Hack number 9, Vaseline Door Hinge Squeak Fix. Annoying squeaks and groans every time you open the doors. Apply petroleum jelly directly to the hinge pins, work it into the pivot points, then open and close the door several times to distribute it. Wipe off any excess. It kills metal-on-metal friction instantly and leaves a long-lasting protective coating. Most squeaks are just dry hinges, not failing parts. Regular treatment also stops rust before it can cause real damage that would require expensive replacement. Hack number 8, Coffee Filter Dashboard Dusting. Dust on the dash always comes back fast, and regular cloths leave lint everywhere. Grab a dry paper coffee filter and wipe the entire dashboard. The material is lint-free and has a natural static charge that grabs and holds dust instead of spreading it. One cheap pack gives you hundreds of wipes. It works beautifully on screens and interior glass too, with 0 streaks. You're getting pro-level results with something already in your kitchen. Hack number 7, Aluminum Foil Exhaust Cleaning. Black carbon-caked exhaust tips kill the look of the whole rear end. Crumple up aluminum foil, dampen it with water or a little WD-40 and scrub the tips inside and out. The foil's texture and chemical reaction with the deposits polish the metal to a bright shine. It works on chrome bumpers, door handles, and wheel trim too. Same chemistry as pricey metal polishes but pennies per use. Your kitchen drawer just replaced another overpriced detailing upsell. Hack number 6, Wax Headlight UV Protection. Yellowing headlights are inevitable unless you get ahead of it. After cleaning the lenses, apply a thin coat of regular car wax or paste wax and buff it off. Reapply every few months. The wax creates a sacrificial UV barrier that dramatically slows oxidation. Same protection for tail lights and other clear plastic. One $8 can of wax can prevent hundreds in restoration costs and keep your lights crystal clear for years. Hack number 5, Dryer Sheet Bug Splatter Removal. Baked-on bugs are tough and can etch your paint if left too long. Dampen a fabric dryer sheet and gently scrub the splatter. The texture and softening agents lift the residue cleanly without scratching. It also reduces static buildup that attracts dust in the first place. One $5 box handles bug removal for years across multiple vehicles, fast, safe, and far cheaper than shop services. Hack number 4, Paintbrush AC Vent Cleaning. Dust blowing straight into your face from the vents. A cheap foam or soft artist paintbrush fits perfectly between the slats. Gently brush from inside outward, then vacuum up the debris. Clean vents mean better airflow and less strain on your blower motor. Detailers charge big for the exact same technique using fancier-looking tools. Hack number 3, Oven Cleaner Rim Restoration. Heavy baked-on brake dust that wheel cleaners can't touch. Spray oven cleaner on the rims, let it dwell 5–10 minutes, scrub with a stiff brush and rinse thoroughly. The strong alkaline action dissolves carbon and brake dust fast. Follow up with wax to prevent future buildup. A $4 can cleans all 4 wheels multiple times and outperforms specialty products at a fraction of the price. Hack number 2, Floor Mat Retention Clip Feature. Floor mats sliding under the pedals is dangerous. Look for the built-in anchors or hooks in the carpet on the driver's side. Your existing mats have matching grommets or slots, line them up and lock them down. It's a federal safety requirement most owners never use. No need for expensive replacement mats with clips. This one simple step prevents accidents and saves you money. Hack number 1, WD-40 Throttle Body Cleaning. Rough idle, hesitation, and sluggish response often point to a dirty throttle body. With the engine off, spray WD-40 inside the bore and on the throttle plate. Scrub gently with a soft brush if needed and wipe clean. Let it air out before starting. WD-40's solvent action dissolves carbon and varnish, restoring smooth airflow. It's the same chemistry as expensive throttle cleaners, just cheaper. Cleaner throttle body also improves fuel economy and helps with emissions. So, which of these hacks surprised you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments. I read every single one. If this video just saved you serious money, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm dropping more hidden car care secrets that detailers and mechanics don't want you to know. Your car will thank you. And if you want even more ways to keep it looking and running like new, check out the video popping up right here. See you in the next one. Drive safe.